Hello, dear student. I welcome you all in this session. Today we are going to see about cash book. I, Dr. Archana Khandelwal, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Accounts and Statistics, welcome you all. There are various types of subsidiary books which are maintained by business organization. In that, cash book is very important. And today we are going to see different types of cash book. The following points are included in this presentation: introduction about cash book, types of cash book, and we are going to see in detail single column cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book, and PT cash book. The cash book is used to record all receipts and payments of cash. The different forms of cash book are simple column cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book, and petty cash book. Now we see one by one in detail. Single column cash book. Cash book is just like a ledger account. There is no need. Cash book is just like a ledger account. If you are not remembering what is ledger account, how we are posting in ledger account, there is my first video on this. I will give link in our description box. You go on that link and see in detail what is ledger. Okay, there is no need to open a separate cash account in ledger. The balance of cash book is already posted to the trial balance. Since cash account is a real account, ruling is followed that debit what comes in, credit what goes out. All the received cash is posted in debit side and all payments and expenses are posted in credit side of cash book. Now see, this is the detailed format of single column cash book, which includes 4 column on debit side and 4 column on credit side, that is receipt and payment side. Date, particular LF amount, date, particular LF amount. Now we will see double column cash book. In this type of cash book, additional discount column is added on each side of cash book. The debit side column of discount represents the discounts to the debtors, and credit side of discount column means the discount received from the supplier or creditors while making payment. This is the format of double column cash book. On receipt side, discount column is added, and on payment side also discount column is added, and the same column which are in single column cash book are in double column cash book.
Sorry guys.
Now we will see triple column cash book. When one more column is added to the double column cash book to post all banking transactions, it is called triple column cash book. All banking transactions are routed through this cash book and there is no need to open a separate bank account in ledger. This type of cash book is maintained by small businessmen where there are not ample of transactions of bank, and when there is a number of transactions with bank, then a separate bank account is maintained by the organization. Now we will see PT cash book. In any organization or business, there are many PT transactions incurring for which payments have to be done. Therefore, cash is kept with an employee who deals with it and make regular payments out of it. To make simple and secure, mostly a constant balance is kept with that employee. This is the format of simple PT cash book. In this, a first column is for amount received, second is CBF means cash book folio, date, particular, amount paid, and for which expenses the amount is paid, it is written in that expenses column account, and last column is for LF, and monthly balance of PT cash book is transferred to that particular expenses account and balance is particular than ledger. Hello, thanks for watching this. If you like the video, then like and subscribe, and stay home, stay safe, and do your study, and best luck for your exams.